Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech with Unique, and today we're going to see how to use or how to write the subscript on your document on your LibreOffice writer on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the subscript on your LibreOffice writer, or how to write a subscript in your LibreOffice writer, just going to show in this video. For an example, X2, Y3 and Z2. I just need to write as a subscript. So first you just type everything with the numbers. Just select this and you have this option on the top of the toolbar. So near the clear data, you can see this toolbar subscript, and the shortcut key was Ctrl Shift plus B. Click this, which make it as subscript. So the same process, just select it and just click this, which make it as X2, Y3 and Z2 like that. This is how you just write subscript on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. So this is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a beautiful and also a wonderful day.